You guys, I have a wedding related video for you today, which is so exciting. Follow me on TikTok, you've already seen it and I've hinted at it on Instagram before, so this is just so exciting. I can't wait to talk about it. Sorry, I'm just like in sweats talking about wedding stuff. Like, this isn't like very professional of me, but alas, who really cares? So I, as you guys know, am engaged. I like never mention it. I'm getting married in November of 2022, so we've got a while. I'm so excited about it. We haven't really planned too much. We just have like a venue and a date in my planner. That's about it. But I got the bag that I've always envisioned me having as a bride. I mean, I'm a huge bag person. Also, I know I say the word weird, it's fine. You guys want to hear something extra? And my mom even remembers this because I used to tell her, I was like, when I get engaged, my fiance is gonna propose to me with a ring and a Chanel bag. But bitch, I'm gonna get my own fucking Chanel bag. We are independent women, and that's what my mom told me to do. She was like, or you could just buy it yourself. I don't remember where on social media I must have said that my dream bag would be to have a white Chanel for like the wedding events and everything that you have leading up to your wedding, like bridal shower, bachelorette party, all that stuff. Like, I always wanted a white Chanel. The thing about me is I don't get too attached to my bags. Like, I know when it's time to let it go, and I try to be smart about when I'm selling it so I don't lose money, and if anything I make money on it. So because bags are actual like investments. So I sold my multi-pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton because I wasn't using it, because I have my bum bag and they're the same monogram, and I've got the monogram backpack, and I was just like, this is a lot of monogram. I sold another Louis Vuitton and I was like, okay, what kind of bag do I want? Ideally I wanted a Chanel, but I was like, I can't afford a Chanel. Chanel prices are insane recently, but your girl came through on Poshmark. The Real and also Poshmark. Those are like my two favorite places to buy bags, and I wasn't finding like what I wanted on the Real, and if I did, it went like that because I mean, it's so competitive on there. But anyway, before I get into talking about that situation, I feel like I should just dive into the unboxing. So I have a clip from when it came in because I didn't feel like filming this entire video when I got it because I was too excited. So here's the clip. Truthfully, I wanted to hold off on filming this video because I was like, I want to like look good for when I like go back and watch this video, but I'm at that point where I just don't care. It's like the afternoon, so my makeup is all messed up, so I apologize about that, but I know you guys don't really even care about that. I just got my package in from Poshmark. I'm so excited. You guys are going to die. So this was directly from Poshmark because if you order something over $500, then it gets authenticated. Are you ready? This is my wedding purse. I am screaming at the top of my lungs right now. I'm so excited. Miller doesn't even know what to do. You don't even know what to do, Miller. You're so excited. Posh Authenticate. This says that, thank you for your purchase. Our luxury experts have confirmed the authenticity of your Chanel. Reviewed by... would we like to guess whose name that is? Because I truly have no idea. It's all yours, ready to style. We hope you love it. Happy poshing. The Posh Authenticate team. I'm screaming. Oh my god. I'm literally like pissing myself right now. It's clearly vintage. You guys, I'm gonna get married and I'm going to use this purse. I'm such an adult. Oh Oh my god, I'm so happy. You guys, I'm a classy bitch. I'm screaming. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Let this sink in and I will insert like a better video clip. You could say I was excited about it. I am still, like, I got this on Friday, it's Monday now. Still on cloud 9. I think I'm still wearing the same sweatsuit I was wearing whenever I filmed that, so it's kind of gross, but I've been painting all weekend, so I haven't been wearing this, I promise. But yeah, here it is. This is my, not Louis Vuitton, this is my Chanel Square vintage mini bag, and it's perfect. The thing when it comes to buying a vintage Chanel bag is if you buy like a lighter color like this, odds are it has been like painted to revive it in a way. So this isn't going to be as soft as a lot of the Chanel lambskins, but it has been treated to look better, and honestly, like, it doesn't matter to me. I don't really care how my bag feels. I'm so excited about it. It is so exciting. So like I said, I found this on Poshmark and I really truly just stumbled upon it, and I always wanted to have a white Chanel bag for wedding events, and for some reason whenever I posted on TikTok that I got like my wedding bag, everybody was like, what the hell is a wedding bag? And I was like, I thought everyone used bags for like their wedding events, right? Like, am I crazy for doing that? And then it got me thinking. I was like, do people not use handbags for their actual wedding day? Because I want to. Because like, where am I gonna put my lip gloss? Like, someone's just gonna carry it for me? Like, that's cool, but like, I want to change and have like a second reception outfit, you know, because I'm extra as hell like that. And like, I would like to have my stuff in my purse. I don't know, because I've been talking about a white Chanel ever since Cody and I got engaged. We got engaged in July, and then we were in Florida for Cody's best friend's 30th birthday, and while we were there I was just talking to Cody. I wasn't talking to everybody about Chanel because no one cares about Chanel. And I was like, I really want a white Chanel for like our wedding day. That'd be so cool, or like wedding events. And girl, like I said before, if you want something, get it yourself. And obviously, since I don't get married for like 2 more years, I'm going to be using this all the time. But I'm excited, and it's just gonna be so special, like, to look back and be like, ah. Like, this is actually one that I feel like I'll have hopefully for a really long time. But I love it, so let's talk about the bag. I really wanted a vintage one because it actually has gold plated hardware, as opposed to now it's like a champagne-y gold, and I love the gold because I'm a gold girl. And you just turn the little lock. I mean, look at the condition. Sorry, that's my camera right there, but I think it's great. You open it. Ooh, it says Chanel. It's just like a single flap. And on the inside, it came with the authenticity card with the number, which matches the number in here. So obviously it's authentic. And then there's the back flap. And then this is a chain that I just have until my little top handle chain I ordered comes in. So I always get questions about buying bags on Poshmark because you guys know I'm pretty loyal hoe to like 3 websites when it comes to buying bags. The first, if I'm buying like new, I love Farfetch. If I'm buying like used, I love Poshmark and the RealReal. The reason I love Poshmark is because the prices you can usually get for really good deals, but if it's over $500, it will be sent to Poshmark to authenticate, and they authenticate it there to make sure everything's right. If it's not real, then they will refund your money, and that way you know you're actually buying something, you know, worth your money and not something fake. She's beautiful, and I can't believe, like, I'm going to be the bride with the Chanel. Ooh, like I said, guys, buy it yourself. We don't need no men. Although we need men for this, but we don't need men for the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this just rambly video all over the place, but that's what you guys like to see. And if you guys did enjoy it, be sure you stick around by subscribing, thumbs up this video. You know, even if you thumbs down this video, it's still helping me, so do as you please. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!